Weche mag tuke timba go koma KCB RFC biro rakore kod Kenya Harle Queens tuka go ke piem mar Kenya Cup e lap mar KCB Sports Club roraka gi kod rani. Timba go koma KCB pod oko wito tugo mora mora ka giselo tuke aboro duto ka koro gi namba rie mesa ma tuke go ke pacho ka gi points 39 e tok jotelo ka Brass man gi points 40. Kocha margi Curtis Olago wacho ni gibiro mako matek dwaro maloyo tugo no ma gi kodira tok timo ikruok makare. Andro Monde bende lose wacho.
Having won most of the games, the boys are psyched. Every challenge that comes to them is a new learning for them. I feel everybody's ready to take up Queens in the weekend, and it's a matter of just the day coming in and everybody pushing and giving the 100% and seeing the results. We'll build from Queens, and then the other weekend we'll plan for playoffs. We need to focus ourselves, get ready, be strong. Mentally, the biggest thing for us is just to build their mental capacity. If they're mentally strong, we'll be able to take anybody who comes our way.